Hello friends and fellow artists. This is Jaime Byrd and this is Art and Wine. If you like art, you like wine, you like talking about creative stuff and whatever, I love doing these videos. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm in my studio and today I'm sharing a little work in progress. I started working on some Arches oil paper and decided I wanted to do a little paper collage. I really haven't done that in a long time and it sounded like a lot of fun. So I found some old paper that I had stashed away. A lot of it is handmade paper that I had bought years ago to create some wedding invitations for my wedding. And so I had all this great paper left over. So I used a lot of that, including some pages from some books. Sometimes I like to use poetry. Sometimes I like to use old medical manuals. I think some of the text in that is pretty cool. So I often will put that into a mixed media piece, usually right in the very beginning. In this piece here, I started with some mark making. I adhered all the paper with cold wax. The cold wax should seal everything, though I have had in the past, after doing a lot of painting, some of these pieces of collage paper come up. So I'm not sure if I was putting enough wax or what I was doing, but in this case, see, like in that case, the piece started to come up. But now I'm just doing layer after layer of paint. And this piece pretty much goes through quite a lot of process here. I'm using Gamsol to lift some paint. And I put Gamsol in a spray bottle, but I also have a tiny little bottle there that I just use to shake and to create different kind of designs. And then right when I use the tissue paper to lift some paint, one of my pieces of collage paper did come off. So again, I'm not sure if I should have let that dry longer. So now I'm just doing some more mark making. I'm using a little bamboo skewer. And now I'm using a cool stencil so I can create some cool little dots, and the paper came up again. So I guess maybe I wasn't using enough cold wax. I understand that the paper really should be very thin too, so maybe that's part of it, was my paper is a little thick. So we'll find out and see if it dries well. So this is just one of a few different collage pieces that I've done. I'll see in a couple of weeks if it all dries well or if any of the paper's still going to come up. But so far it seems like it's sticking, so that's good. And I'm gonna probably work on this again after it dries some more and keep painting on it. Make sure you check out some of my other videos. I also have some other works in progress, but a lot of how-to stuff and meet the artist videos where I interview other artists. And I would love to have you leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you're working on. Thanks so much. I really appreciate you guys. And this is one of my funnest things I can do, is share these videos and my ideas of how I'm creating. Love to see you next time. And remember, keep creating.